Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through St Catherine. We are going through Linstead now, and then Ewaton, and then up Mount Russell. So we are now going to go through the Linstead area. So Linstead is one of the main towns in St Catherine. When you're driving on the main road from Spanish Town to Ocharios, Linstead is the next major town you're going to come across. After you leave Spanish Town, you're going to pass Linstead, which is the next main town, and then you reach Ocharios. There are no more main towns along the road. So Linstead is very developed. We're not going to go through the town center today, but we have numerous videos up of driving through the town center, so you can check it out. So because Linstead is a main town, it has a toll plaza for the Highway 2000. So if you wanted to go on the highway, you would turn right here and access the highway, and that's the Linstead toll plaza. There are other towns that have places that have a toll plaza are Angels, which services Spanish Town. Then you have Linstead, then you have Monique, and then there's one more, and then you go to the main toll plaza. So right, if you turn left here now, you go towards the town center of Linstead. So here on the main road now, you're going to find, like, on the right you have a bar, a restaurant. On the left is a shop. On the right is another bar, a tire place, a battery place. Because this is the main road. I mean, the state of the road, you wouldn't believe it's a main road, but this is the main road that takes you from Kingston to Ocharios. And outside of Montego Bay, Ocharios is probably the most popular place in Jamaica. Outside of Kingston, Montego Bay, Ocharios is the most popular place, both for Jamaicans as well as tourists. That's where you find all the major tourist attractions like Duns River Falls, Mystic Mountain, Dolphin Cove. That's where you're going to find every major hotel in Jamaica has a location in Ocharios. Major town. It should be a city. I'm not sure why Ocharios is not a city. It's not even the capital of St. Anne's Bays, but Ocharios is by far the most developed town in Jamaica outside of Kingston and Montego Bay, which are both cities. Alright, so on the left you have a sports bar and grill. I mean, this area, Linstead, has so many bars. I mean, every other location is a bar. You can see it by the Appleton signs, or you can see it by the signs on the road. And even when you're going over Mount Russell, there are so many bars. There's another one on the right. I must say, J. Ray and Nephew, there's another one on the left, have done an excellent job with this signage. They have literally painted over the front of some of these bars. There's another one on the right. Between the rum companies or the alcohol companies and the lotto stores, they have the best signage you'll see out there. You can easily identify those locations when driving. Alright, so we're driving out of Linstead now and going into the Ewaton area. And Ewaton is famous for its bauxite plant, and there where you see the smoke, that's the bauxite plant. So the entire town was built just to support the bauxite plant. So Ewaton is mostly a residential area, and then you'll find everything you need to support a residential area in Ewaton. Linstead is far more developed than Ewaton. Linstead has government offices. They have a tax office, they have a courthouse, they have a hospital. It's a major transportation hub. So Linstead is the main town, and Ewaton is just, I wouldn't even call it more of a district. There you can see another bar, and I must say, the signage looks very good. There's a restaurant on the left. A lot of food stores along this way, along this main road. There you can see the outskirts of the bauxite plant. So here's the entrance to the plant now. Yuaton Works, West Indies Alumni Company with that Windalco. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.